didn't have my camera out a minute ago, but this bird came down and swooped at me. That's what these mockingbirds do. He is mad today. This may be the same one I filmed yesterday. He really did try to swoop down on me. It's hard to film it. He sees me. Oh, goodness. Ooh! He wants me to leave. I guess I should just leave. I was just trying to show y'all how these mockingbirds act sometimes. Oh! See, he sees me. I don't know what that back and forth behavior is. Unless he's getting ready to swoop down on me again. I really don't know. Let's see what he does if I walk past him. They aren't too scared of you. You see, I'm walking right past him and he does not care. Oh, I hope he doesn't try to get me. He was just not scared. Oh, he's just not scared at all. Oh, goodness. He's probably, as soon as I turn my back on him, he's probably going to try to come get me. Oh, see him go? Look at him go. He's just following me. I don't think he's happy. But you see how they do. That's exactly what he's following me, is what he's doing. He's following me. He's probably just waiting for me. Oh, see, I told you. I told you they attack you.